What is up, guys? Done at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to humanize AI text in Grammarly. So first, you need to head over to your Grammarly's website, and then you need to log in with your Grammarly's account credential. After that, when you're redirected to the home page, you just simply need to choose the file that you want to humanize. And after that, here, you just simply need to select the text that you want to humanize. And after selecting the text, you just simply need to type in here in the search bar or the tell us to section, you need to type in humanize this text. And after that, this will start humanizing this text. As you can see, I have selected this text. And then in the command section, I have written to humanize this text. And after that, it gave me a humanized version of this text. I'll simply click on insert. And as you can see, the text has been inserted here in my document. So this is how you can humanize the AI generated text in Grammarly. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.